If you're thinking about buying a home in California, one of the biggest challenges you might face is the down payment. In today's competitive market, especially in California, the cost of real estate has soared, and with it, the time it takes to save up for that crucial 20% down payment. To give you some perspective, a recent study from Zillow found that across the United States, it takes an average of 7.2 years to save for a 20% down payment. But in places like San Francisco, it's even longer, on average 18.3 years, and in San Jose, it's the longest in the entire study, about 21.8 years. Even in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, which is much more affordable by comparison, it still takes about 6.8 years. Now, compare that to 2 decades ago, when buyers typically saved for about 5.5 years. The amount of time needed has more than doubled in many areas, largely due to rising home values and property prices. This is where mortgage insurance can help. If you're unable to save a full 20% down payment, you're not alone, and you still have options. Mortgage insurance can make it possible to buy a home with a smaller upfront payment. There are 2 main types of mortgage insurance. First, there's private mortgage insurance, or PMI. This is used for conventional loans that aren't backed by the government. PMI usually costs between 0.2% and 1% of the loan amount per year. It's paid monthly, and in many cases can be removed once you build enough equity in the home, depending on your loan-to-value ratio and credit. Then there's mortgage insurance for FHA loans, which is simply called mortgage insurance, or MI. With FHA loans, MI is required no matter what. You'll either pay an upfront premium, usually 1.75% of the loan amount which is added to your loan, or you'll pay an annual premium, typically around 0.85% spread over monthly payments. In most cases, these monthly payments are permanent. So while saving for a large down payment might take a long time, mortgage insurance can be a helpful tool to get into a home sooner. Understanding how it works can empower you to make the best decision for your situation and move one step closer to owning a home. Reach out to JVM Lending today at jvmlending.com to speak with a mortgage expert, and we'll help you find the best financial path forward.